welcome back to Fudchannel. Today we are going to see how to make my version of a brinjal curry. Let's see how to make this. In a kadai, pour about 2 tablespoons of oil. We are going to fry dry red chilies. I have taken 8 red chilies. You can increase or decrease. And then about 250 grams of shallots. To add half tablespoon of cumin seeds. Five to 6 garlic pods. Few curry leaves. After the shallots change color, add about 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Allow the tomatoes to cook and become soft. Next add 5 tablespoons of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and about 4 tablespoons of shredded coconut. Give it a mix. Now we are going to switch off the stove and allow the mixture to cool down and grind it in a blender. The grinder mixture is now ready. Grinded it into a smooth paste. On the side we are going to cut the brinjal. Cut it like this. We are going to fry the brinjal in oil. Remove the brinjal from water and keep it aside. Heat about 8 tablespoons of oil in a pan and fry the brinjal. I have taken more oil because we need extra oil in this curry. The brinjal is nicely fried. Now we are going to remove it from oil. In the same pan, we are going to add the grinded masala. Don't add lots of water. The water in the masala is enough. We are going to cook this till the oil separates. We are going to close and cook it. Make sure you leave some gaps on the side, otherwise the water vapor will start dripping inside the curry. Keep stirring it in between. See, after 20 minutes now, it's nicely cooked. We are going to add some water now. Mix it and add in the fried brinjal. Add some salt. We are going to allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. Check the salt and spice. If you need extra, you can add little red chili powder. Now after 5 minutes, we are going to add in half a cup of tamarind pulp. Allow to cook for another 5 minutes. Now the curry is ready. We are going to remove it from the stove. Next we are going to temper it. For tempering, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add quarter teaspoon mustard seeds. Let it flutter. Then add about 1 medium-sized onion. And few curry leaves. We are going to add the fried onion into the curry. Mix it well.